Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Apex Legends. While launching the game, you got the error unknown file version with the path of that particular file. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I recommend you to install the game only in your C drive. Again, I am telling you, install the game only in the C drive, or else install the game where your game client is installed. For example, if you are playing the game or installing the game using EA Play, the location of the EA Play and the location of the Apex Legends must be same. I have installed the game in C drive, so I have installed the Apex Legends also in the C drive. So make sure you perform the same. Secondly, if you are using Steam, make sure you uninstall the game completely from the Steam. As of now, there is some glitch with the Steam, so uninstall the game from the Steam and install the game using the EA Play and then launch the game to fix out the issue of unknown file version. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, head over to C drive, program files, users, your own username. Here find a folder with the name saved games, and here is the respan folder. What you need to do is to right click on this folder and choose the option delete. Once deleted, go ahead, launch the game, click on the option library, click on this three-dot icon and choose the option repair to rebuild the deleted files, and this will fix out the issue of unknown file version. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, we will go ahead and directly delete the problematic file. For example, right now the error is because of this particular file which is available in packs_win64 folder. So you need to locate that particular folder, which is again available in the directory of the game. If you are using EA Play, the directory will be available in C drive, program files, EA Play, EA Games, Apex. Here is the game directory. So the problematic file will be either available in this audio folder, ship. The problem is with one of these files, or else the file is available right in this directory, and here is PAKS folder. Open it, open Win64, and over here you will find the problematic file. For example, currently the problematic file is material_stickers, which is available in PAK Win64 folder. So this is the particular folder. Over here in the search bar, search for that file, right click and choose the option delete. Once you delete the problematic file, go ahead, relaunch your EA Play or Steam, click on the three-dot icon and choose the option repair. If you are using Steam, open the Steam, hit the library option, right click on your game, choose option properties, click on the option installed files. To browse the directory, simply click on the option browse, and then to repair the files, click on the option verify integrity of game files. After deleting the files, make sure you click on the option verify integrity of the game files. Once done, go ahead, relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Apex Legends unknown file version. However, if all these methods fail to work out, there may be a problem with your RAM sticks. If you have installed more than one RAM stick, go ahead and try to unplug one by one each RAM stick and then install only the single RAM and then try to launch the game. This is the major cause for the unknown file error. So make sure either use one of the RAM sticks or do a quality test of your RAM using a software with the name memtest. Go ahead, open your browser, and here is the software with the name memtest. I will share the link of this software in the description of this video. Go ahead and simply download its free version, and it will help you provide the status of your RAM sticks, either they are okay or not. If they are not well, you need to replace your RAM and then completely fix out the issue of Apex Legends unknown file version. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.